Was that the bounce? I don't think so. Maybe it was. Oh, come on, baby. Okay. Greg, what's up, man? What is up? I'm just, you know, I'm waiting for this. I mean, we kind of dumped. We rejected off of the upper VWAP band and VWAP, I think. And let's see here. Let me get rid of these moving averages. Shit. Oh, I'm in. I am in. Getting that orb bounce right here. Oh shit. Take me take me to the 34. Holy fuck. I'll lock that in. Oh, hit it, hit it, hit it. Boom. That was fucking awesome. Really? I'm talking low. Oh, I wasn't really talking at all. Was I talking? I don't even know. I'm not even using this mic. I'm listening to the stream on the other laptop to make sure there is sound. But did you see that? Literally, I had this order in. Oh, it's gonna keep fucking going up. Are we gonna reject here? What a fucking bounce. Right off the bottom orb. Went from 20, 2250-ish, 23, I don't know, to 39. That's a 17-point move. 37, 36, I don't know. Yeah, actually, that's a 15-point candle, so that's not exactly how that played out. It's more like 22 to 35, 13-point move. Here we go. So we dumped, we rejected off of VWAP here. Fucking, it was a nice dump, actually, if you think about it. It just took forever. But right here was a quick one, right? From like 56, 55. In 10 minutes, we were down to 31. That's a 24-point move. Then it took forever to hit the bottom orb, but we finally hit it. Just now I got filled. Oh, this thing is just going to keep going up. It's going to reject off of this lower VWAP band. You got the top orb right here. I mean, obviously, I didn't get all of it, but I'm happy with this trade. Oh my God. Am I happy with this trade? It's already up six more. It's already up 7 more points. That's another $140. Can you hear me now? I hear me. Damn. Nice move. What did it reject off? It just hit something. Up. Lower VWAP band. 39, 34. I mean, 5 points right there. Fucking crazy. I don't know if we're going to get to 34 bounce here. We're underneath both of them. Oh, man. So I've only traded my take profit trader account. I'm up $700. I'm over 50. I'm at 52,175. Yeah, through 2 days. I'm on the second day. Who else is in here? I see 3. Show yourself. What a trade. I gotta clip that shit. I'll clip it later. That'd be perfect for like Instagram and TikTok if I could ever get TikTok working. Bullshit. I mean, this is Yeah, I'm having trouble with TikTok. It's kind of fucking annoying. I'm just watching my stream from earlier today, so I'm trying to make a clip of this trade I took when when Apple when Apple earnings hit. I was in a long, and it was pretty crazy. Oh, I'm trying to get a clip of it right now. Might have to wait till tomorrow because I'm fucking tired. But I just took a trade on the stream. I don't know if anyone saw it. Maybe Greg saw it. Fuck. Whew, man. I was doing a lot of viewing last night too, but I didn't take any trades, so it was kind of a boring. Yo, ex trader. Good, yeah. I guess it depends. Good morning for you. Good evening for me. And Greg said he couldn't hear me, but I think it was because I wasn't talking. Let me know if you could hear me. I just took a trade. I think you missed it, but right here, I literally waited patiently for this bottom orb. Got filled. Shit went up. Um, I took it here. I had my take profit around here, so I got 180 out of it. Obviously, and naturally, it ran up another 6 or 7 points. It went up to about what, 140, 740. I mean, so I missed out on another 140, but whatever. NFP. Non-farm payrolls. The unemployment rate is set to stay unchanged at 3.8. Such bullshit. You know why? Because fucking people drop off that have fucking been receiving unemployment for the most amount, the maximum amount of time, and then once they get cut off, they're no longer receiving unemployment, so they're no longer considered unemployed. Such a fucking scam. Not yet. I'm still in pending. I mean, I don't expect it to flip. Um, I'm hoping it does by like Monday, but if not, I'm gonna have to like tread lightly with some micros, because I don't want to, I want to be able to build the account back up and, request another withdrawal. I have to tread lightly anyway because I'm going to have what is it at? I'm going to have like a $655 trailing max drawdown. So that's not a lot of room to work with. I'm going to have to trade with like micros. I might just trade with micros all the time until I get a lot of breathing room. But I don't know. I like trading with micros. Actually, I hate it. I don't know. I liked it and I hated it. It's just like if you could get nickel and dimed with them. They suck. But I'm going to have to do it anyway. Should let my boy know. Non-farm payroll report. Non-farm payroll. Does that make the market move a lot? Oh shit! We came back down to the orb. So we hit the lower VWAP band right here around 40 and fucking rejected hard and came down 20 points. Fucking crazy. I wish I took that trade. I wasn't really paying attention. Nutty. Ah, yeah, I don't think you get a reply from Apex X Trader. I think they just I don't know. I mean, I don't remember if you have gotten a payout from them before or whatnot, but I look like I think it's just gonna flip from pending to approved. You know what I mean? On that pay on this page right here. On this page. So it says pending here. I think it's just gonna at some point just gonna say approved and that's it. Maybe I'll get an email notification. I don't know. I hope I get something so I know. The only other way I'll know besides refreshing this page and saying approved is, in here. I mean, this is my Top Step account, but my trailing max drawdown won't say $2,655. It'll just say 655, and that's how I'll know. Oh, look, another bounce. Well, actually, now we're at the orb. This is the bottom orb right here, where my line is. Is it going to reject off of this, or is it going to push through? We rejected off the fucking lower VWAP band. Yeah, 3 to 8 days isn't bad. I mean, Apex is kind of you could form bad habits. Yeah, I mean you have a solid system in place. Yeah, you're definitely much more patient than I am. That's for sure. I mean, I have some good rules and some good setups that I look for, but sometimes I just fucking fall off the wagon. But not tonight. Not tonight. I got this fucking and just like yesterday, I wanted to push my take profit trade a test account over 2,000. I was at like 51,974. And I'm like, I want to get it over 2,000. And I fucking completely lost my fucking shit. So today I just, I mean, I made some trade. I made more than a few trades. You have 54,847 with who? With Apex? A PA account? A funded account? Shit, that's pretty fucking good. It's really good, actually. I don't know, man. You obviously, you're much more seasoned than I am. I mean, I'd be fucking taking gains. Be taking that 2,000 as soon as it became available to me. I will do that every time. All right, so we're at the bottom orb right here. Is it going to become? Is it going to become resistance? Yeah, I see a couple more people tuned in right after the stream started. I I had an order in to get filled at the bottom orb right here, and I got filled, and I took it for 9 points, 9 points, $180. Of course, it went up another 7 points, so I didn't get. I mean, obviously, I wasn't going to get all of it, but I would have liked to have gotten more. But whatever, I'm happy with that. And then we hit. I wasn't really paying attention, but we hit the lower VWAP band and rejected off of it pretty hard. We rejected like literally like almost 20 points. Here we are. Now we can't get back over the lower, the bottom orb. I mean, we might, but we might fucking just dump from here. You hate Apex too? Dude, I'm probably gonna get a top step account real soon, and a trade day account. I'm gonna check them out. But I want to get I want to get paid by Take Profit Trader, and I will. I'm certain of it. It's not even like a matter of if, it's just a matter of when. And in terms of when, for me, it's gonna be when I stop fucking doing dumb shit and hitting that daily loss limit. Which, yeah, the daily loss limit can suck. You know, the daily loss limit does suck. However, if I don't trade like a dummy, I should be fine. Ooh, we're back into the orb. I almost want to get an eval somewhere right now. Probably an Apex eval. Just fucking play this bounce, but because I probably should stop trading in this account. I mean, I'm on day 2 and I'm fucking $825 away from passing this Take Profit Trader test account. I don't know. I could push it more. I just don't want to do anything dumb. Rejecting off the bottom orb. We're rejecting. I don't know. We're right at it. We're right on it. Are we going to bounce here? What's up, everyone? Some people are coming into the stream right now. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're trading well. If you're trading at all, I took one trade so far since I started the stream, but I am up. I mean, I haven't been trading all night. I did take some trades though throughout since the overnight started. Random times in decent spots, and I'm up. I'm on day 2 of a new test account for Take Profit Trader. I'm up $700 today. I'm up an overall a total of 52,000. Well, I'm up 2,175, 700 during this trading session, and I just took this right here. Um, Played the bottom orb. I mean, obviously, it doesn't always work perfectly, but the bottom orb, literally, I got filled at the bottom orb, which is this red line here, the opening range breakout, and I took it for 9 points. And unfortunately, it went up another 6 or 7, went up another 7 to be exact. So I got 9 of the 16 points, which is pretty good. I'm not complaining. I knew it was going to happen. Got to work on getting more of the move more often, but 180 is great, especially since I was already up like 500. What am I at? I was already up 520, right? So another $180. I just added fucking 180, 180 divided by 520. I just added another 35% to my gains, But here we are. Oh, look, we hit the 34. We're rejecting off the 34. Where is that on this 5-minute? Nowhere really. We're just chilling on the orb, a little bit above it. I mean, we could pop here, but I don't know. So when you say you only trade until you hit 3 losses, or you stop at 3 wins, 5 trades per day, max. I was gonna ask, like, is it 3 consecutive losses or just 3 losses in general? You must hold positions a lot longer than I do. I have a feeling you hold positions for a while, ex trader. Drink some agua. Yeah, so we're just chilling at this orb right now. A couple of people left. Uh oh. Uh oh. 12:30 candle. We're gonna pop here. I don't know how many more bounces it has in it, but I don't know. It's kind of just basing out over here, but it also could just dump. Hmm. Yeah, we're kind of just going sideways right now. I mean, is this going to be a nice bounce? It's starting to look like it. I mean, it's up five points already. I just didn't want to really take it because it could have went the other way very easily because it was underneath the orb. Uh, I'll play a rejection. It's not early enough or late enough for people to be on. Yeah, I'm like the better my entries get, the less I find myself having to trade. Obviously, I'm trading more in this eval because I'm pushing it, but like on funded accounts, like two of my four Marco, what is up? What's good? Yeah, two of my four funded accounts, my Apex accounts, I made one trade. I actually did it during the stream yesterday. I only had to make one trade. You know, played. I think one. What did I do one time? I think I played a 34 bounce. Actually, I played a 34 bounce in 64, and then I did it again in 65. Both times it was one mini. I got taken. I made three something and four something on the trades, and I'm perfectly fine with that being it for a funded account. Because why try to push a funded like I'm tired. I'm just tired of nuking accounts. I want to do it a lot less often. So if I go up a few $100, like I don't need to go up anymore because first of all, I have to trade for another fucking 10 days or whatever, 11 days. So I'm just, if I could do it in one trade, just wait for a good setup. It's fucking beautiful. I don't have to keep like not forcing trades, but they don't have to keep popping in and out of shit. But yeah, I mean, oh, obviously I won't always be able to do it in one trade, but I find myself I find it happening more often, and I'm a huge fan of only having to make one trade in a funded account and winning. Yeah, so we wicked up into the orb, but it, there's some resistance here. I think it's the 34. Look at that, fucking rejected right off of that shit. I mean, this is the 21 also, but the 34 is right there. 27 to 21, 25. I do kind of want to take one more trade, but I'm not feeling. I mean, I don't know. Well, that was pretty cool. But we're just chopping here. Look, I guess you could scalp this, but that's not. We could bounce. We could go on a little. We could pop 20 points, 15 points. Maybe, possibly, potentially. You know. All right, now we're new candle above the orb, above the bottom orb. Is it gonna pop here? See, it can't really. So we got one, two, three, four candles. I mean, I think it's gonna go up. If I had a gun to my head, I would say it's gonna go up at least to this lower VWAP band, and then the top orb is right here at 17,747. It's not a huge move if it is. Yep, patience is the key, man. Like I probably the less patient me probably would have actually. I mean, I should have went it long, but but look at this. I mean, we could have just fucking dumped. This could have been a bear flag, and we could have just went. You know. So I'm just chilling. I'm just waiting. I'll wait for a rejection. If this like keeps going up, I'll play a rejection off the fucking lower VWAP band, or maybe not. I'll wait for it to hit the top orb, maybe. Damn, I'm fucking tired. So yeah, I'm just trading my take profit trader test account. Oh, we're over the 34. What is 747? What is that? Smoking a doobski? Hey, oh, it's all right. So now that we know you smoke, I don't smoke anymore. But I try to tell everyone I know that smokes. Like I put my first ever friend onto these. They're called King Palms. They fucking burn real nice, man. Well, what did we hit? We just hit the fucking lower VWAP band and reject off of it. Pretty much. Look at that. Jeez. Almost hit it. Right there, though. And then we just rejected 10 points almost. Back at the bottom orb. I mean, we popped fucking 10 points, too. I mean, that happened so quick. But yeah, dude, X Trader, you should try King Palms. They're so fucking good. You don't even have to roll it. They're like they're palm leaves, and they're pre-rolled. You gotta push the, you just gotta stuff the weed. And it comes with like a little stick, like humidifying pouches, a humidifying pouch, probably like a 5 or 10 pack on Amazon. You probably get it at a smoke shop too, and they just burn real fucking smooth. It's like smoking a blunt, but not nearly as harsh. It's as far as I'm concerned, it's the aside from like smoking glass, it's the best way to smoke. But anyway, enough about that shit. What are we doing here? Anything? And if I ever started smoking again, that's all I would smoke. It was fucking King Palms. But I haven't smoked in over a year. So we got 9 people hanging out. Hey, who else is here? Say what's up. Say what's up in the chat. We're all friends here. I did take a trade before at the bottom orb. Got 9 points in a mini. Got 180. Good trade. Nice solid trade. And then my take profit trader test account is on day 2 and it's up 700 overall. I mean 700 today and 50 and 2,175 overall. I need to get to 3,000. Hey man, what's going on? Ebenar? Are you Eben R? Like Eben's your first name and your last name starts with an R? I know an Eben, but it's spelled EBEN instead of EBAN. But you know what? People spell my name like my name, like my given name is Jason, and some people spell Jason Jayson, and I spell it Jason. Yeah, dude, they're fucking great, bro. Trust me, trust me. Yeah, I'll send. Let me grab you a link. Let me just grab a pack and let me know. Um, yeah, if my wife wasn't so against, my wife doesn't like. I fucked around and found out like I would sneak around and smoke it, and I got fucking. She didn't like the fact that I was sneaking around doing it, so like she doesn't want me doing it at all. So whatever. I don't really do anything else. I barely drink. I don't fuck around really. That was the only thing I like to do. But I'm cool. Happy wife, happy life. I got too much to lose. You know what they say about being married and having a wife? They say it's cheaper to keep her. You know what I mean? But she's awesome. So these fucking things. Slim, 1.5 grams. Mini, what is the mini? 1 gram. These are so fuck. You're gonna love these things, man. Let me see if I can find one that's on Prime. Oh, it is on Prime. These right here. These are fucking perfect. They're so good, bro. Is it gonna let me put this link in? Oh, the link is too long. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, it's got all this other bullshit there. What is all this fucking shit? Jesus. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, this should get in there. Just grab yourself a pack, man. Does that link work? Let's see. Boom. Yep. Hardly any work. You just like, you put your shit on a tray. You get your fucking, it's like, it's like stuff in a pre-roll. It's the same thing, but it's not a cone. It's like a cigarette, I guess you could say. It's like a perfectly rolled blunt without, there's no, it's clean. It's cleaner than fucking tobacco paper. It's just a palm leaf. So smooth. Anyway, what are we doing here? Anything? We're going to do anything here. We're over the 34. I mean, it looks like we're going to push up. I just don't know how far. I mean, we're just riding along this bottom orb. Definitely have been some opportunities to play it up and down. I played it up right here. I mean, obviously, if you played this VWAP projection like an hour ago, I mean, that's fucking money right there. It would drop from, that was like a 25-point dump when it was all said and done. But now we're at the bottom orb. It's showing as support. I mean, we haven't dumped from here. We got under it a couple of times on these 5-minute candles, but now we're back. We're in the orb. So I just feel like it's the next logical destination is at the very least this lower VWAP band, but you got the top orb right here at 47. Lower VWAP bands at 30, 37-ish, 36. So anyway, that Amazon link, guys, in case you're just tuning in, that's for X Trader. X Trader. Um, Did you get that link? Did you click on it yet? Let me know. Let me know when you click on it and have it on your browser so I could remove it from the chat. I don't want people thinking I don't know. There might be some tightwads that come on. I don't think anybody that comes on to watch me on tightwads, everybody's pretty chill or very chill. But I don't wanna offend anyone because I'm posting links to fucking papers to put weed in, even though I don't even smoke. So let me know when you get that link clicked on you open your browser, and I'll get rid of it from the chat. Yeah, so here we go. We're kind of in the middle here. We got some resistance around the 34. I mean, I have a feeling this is going to become support. Pretty much is support at this point. I'm 27 to 47. You're talking the 200 to 300 on the one. I mean, here we go. It's starting to fucking go now. Like lately, I don't know. Last bunch of streams, I've been like catching a second wind, and I stay up for a little while. But ever since the other night when I was up till 4 in the morning, and we got like 2.5, 3 hours of sleep, it's been tough. I'm still recovering from that. That just happened. That was like, what's today? Friday? Was that Tuesday going into Wednesday? I think that was Tuesday going into Wednesday. So it was literally like 2 days ago. Hey, X Trader, did you get that link? Let me know. Let me know when you have it like clicked on your browser or on your phone or whatever, so I can remove it from the chat. I'd rather drop my coupon codes. Hey, for those of you watching, if you want to get a great deal on an Apex eval account, if you see the ticker underneath the screen, you can see my coupon code. That'll get you 80% off any size eval or your next eval, and it'll be 1 day to pass. So you don't have to you could have an account already and use my coupon code, and you'll support the channel by doing so, and I appreciate it. And if you want to try Take Profit Trader, that's what I'm trading with right now. They have a special running where it's 40% off any size eval, or they call it test accounts, 40% off, and then you don't have to pay an upgrade fee. Ooh, look at that. You don't have to pay the upgrade fee once you pass, which is pretty cool. And that coupon code is ZERODAYJAY. You can click the link in the description below. I got both links in the description. Um, so anyway, looks like we might be going to at least the lower VWAP end. We might be there already. I think we go higher. I don't know. It hasn't been able to get over it for a while. But the top orb is right here at 47. Do I play a rejection again? I don't know. Yeah, look, it's like right at the 105. By the way, X Trader, if you're still here, I'm 44. So we're pretty much the same age, bro. I don't know. I think we're gonna go even higher. Oh, maybe not. Wow. Damn, it's already down 4 points. Oh, three people left just like that. What's up with that? He'll be back. He'll be back. Not much really happening. I mean, the market's not really moving all that much. So, and if I'm not trading, it's kind of boring because you don't see. People need action, right? We all need action. So like people watching the stream probably want to see this going up and down, you know. But I'm just waiting. I guess I could have played. I guess I could have went long. Hopefully you got that link. I'm gonna delete this shit. Um, I'm gonna remove it. Hmm. Ooh, we're right on it right now. Right on the upper VWAP band, lower VWAP band. We pushing over it? I think we do. I hope we do because I want to play this fucking top orb. Oh, all right. We're breaking. We broke the lower VWAP band right here. 47. What a nice bounce. All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. I think I'll do. I'll get. Right there. And right here in case it gets over that. Just waiting for this to go up to the fucking. I guess the lower. Let's see if the lower VWAP band is. Oh, we're back under it. Shit. Kind of wanted it to stay over and go to the top orb. Hmm. I'm tempted to fucking play here because we're literally right at the fucking. All right. Yeah. I was tempted to play the bounce off of the lower VWAP band because it became support. But I'll just wait to take my short here. Not going to force any trades. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, come on, hit me. Oh, come on, get up there. Get up there. I got the order in like at 46.50, even though the top orb is at 47. Is it rejecting off the 200 on the one? It looks like it. I mean, it's riding up this 9. It's just riding up the 9 MA. It's an SM. Is this an EMA? I think this is an EMA. Let me see. Configure. Yeah, it's the EMA. Come on, baby. And then I have another order in basically at, where is that, VWAP? So if it gets over, you got VWAP, and then you have this trend line right above that too. So I feel like we have some good resistance coming up, especially the top orb, but most certainly VWAP. It's starting to get late here too. Ugh, I guess what is that? Not much of a move. That ain't it. Don't be fooled. 40. Get close. 200's becoming support. I'm gonna just pop real quick. Make this a little higher. $52.50 is VWAP? No. $51.50 is VWAP. There we go. Oh my God, just fucking hit it. Come on, fill me. Oh, was that it? Oh my God, don't tell me. Don't tell me. No, it didn't hit it. And I'm under it too. I'm not even all the way at it. I'm not even right on it. Oh my God. Come on, just do it, baby. All right, one more bounce here and hit my fucking order. Oh, is that it? Mm. There you go. Maybe. Maybe I get filled. Got my order in basically just below the top orb. Oh, it's right there. Just fucking. Oh my God, man. Whole. Oh my God. How many? What is that? One tick? Oh, that's it. There's nothing worse than not getting filled in an order by one or two ticks, and then it goes the way you thought it was going to go. All right, maybe I'll get another shot at the title here. I mean, at this point, it might push through the way it's fucking shaping up. I might lose on this. Oh, it's a new hour. New hour. Uh oh, this could get ugly. Here we go. I'm gonna get filled. It's a new hour. Oh. Oh shit. It could get great. Top orb. Top orb rejection. Oh shit. Oh no. Come on, get below this 300. Get below the 200. I mean, get the 200 here. You got the 9 here. It's obviously been support for the last 4 candles or 5 candles. Let's see if it pushes under. Oh, should I have just taken the $60? Maybe. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's starting to look like I should have taken the $60. All right, well, we got VWAP. Next in line for resistance is VWAP. You got the one, you got the 300 here. That's the 300. VWAP is a little bit higher than this order. Hit it. I hope I do get hit filled up at VWAP because then it's gonna get the rejection. Oh, I'm in. Now I'm in trouble. Now I'm in trouble. Let's see what happens here. Oh, fuck me. I should have taken the $60, obviously. Coming back. I mean, we're at a it's a brand new hour. So what I'm going to do here, we come back this right here. I'll fucking take one off. I don't know if we're going to. Maybe we do. I don't know. All right, back. All right, we're back at VWAP. Back onto VWAP. I think we're gonna get it. Maybe. Got to get under the 300. I'm not really worried so much about the 300. Oh shit! Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Oh, stay on the VWAP. You gonna stay on the VWAP for me or what? We need to get back onto the bottom orb. I mean the top orb, which is right here at 47. If we clear 47, we're gonna go down for a while, which is right here. We just hit we hit 46. We hit 47 and bouncing off of it right now. I don't know. I don't know. I should have taken the 60 and I should have taken the initial 60. We'll see. Let's see what happens. I would like to stay over 52,000, but I'm willing to ride this out because I'm in good shape. I'm up $700. I don't give back 700 fucking dollars. That'd be stupid. The only way that happens is some crazy algo candles fucking pops right now. The 300 is VWAP. Where's VWAP at? I mean, we're between VWAP and the top orb right now, consolidating. We got this fucking the trend line right here. Is the trend line going to hold or what? I could have gotten out with a $30 gain. So I'm probably being punished for not doing that. This is what I get for not taking the $60. Let's see what happens. Hmm. Just hanging. Just hanging in this position. You guys want some action? Here's some action. I took one at the fucking top orb, went up $60. Didn't lock in any of those gains, and then it pushed over the top orb and hit VWAP. I took another one at VWAP basically. I'm in two, and then it kind of came back, and I went green by like $30, and I didn't take it. So now I'm just hanging here waiting to see what's gonna happen. I'm into NQ minis in my Take Profit Trader test account on day two. And we're below VWAP. We're basically consolidating between VWAP and the top orb. We also have this fractal right here. It's a trend line. So we got a lot of resistance right here. I just don't know if it's going to hold because now the top orb is also kind of acting as support now because we got over it. We cleared it. We need to get back into it. So I don't know. I don't know if we're going to. As you can see, and now you got the 9. I mean, I'm on the 1 minute chart here. On TradingView, I'm on the 5 minute chart. Uh, it's not looking good for me. Maybe I don't know. It's fucking. Who knows? Who knows? Only the bots know. The market manipulators. I did have a chance to take 40 to $60, and I didn't take it. It was up as much as $60. The first original position I took. Now we're just waiting. Just being patient here. See if my thesis plays out. Starting to come back. See this 9. We've been riding up the 9 for a while now. So I'm hoping that we break it, but it's been support. It's been trend. We've been following the trend, but now it's starting to curve downward. So maybe we get under it. I don't fucking know. We might not. Maybe not. It's gonna go up or down. I could guarantee you that. And maybe go sideways. But I think we're gonna get under it. Maybe not. I don't know. I keep saying that because I really don't fucking know. I wanted to. I mean, based on what I saw, I thought it would. It's just taking longer to play out. 54.50. What is that? Anything? Let's see. Let me put some moving averages back on here. No, there's no moving averages in the way. It's just trying to figure out what it wants to do. Uh-oh. The 9. And you got the 200, the 300 right here. This orange line. That's the 300 SMA on the 1 minute. So that's been solid support since we got above it for the last 6 or 7 minutes. But we're basically chopping right now, going sideways, consolidating, I would say. Oh, 200. What's next? I don't think I want to ride this position all the way up to the fucking upper VWAP band. I'd rather get taken out sooner and then get in short and take another shot short there. This kind of sucks though. It would plus 40 or 50 is much better than minus fucking 250. Plus, like, it's going to make me want to stay up longer and trade more to make this back. And that's not always the best thing either. Let's see what happens. This seems like some good resistance right here. Can't get over this level. Need to get under this fucking 9, and then we need to get under the 300. Doesn't seem to want to get under the 9. Plus now, like, since I'm on the stream, because my first trade I made 180. I made 180 on the first trade, right there. I don't want to. I don't want to fall negative on the stream. I want to be positive on the stream. Look at that 9, fucking 9. Let's go. There we go. Let's flush right now. We got to flush. Flushy McFlusherson. Let's go. Okay. Top orb is going to be, we're going to bounce off this top orb. 47, 47.50. 47.50 is. Need this 9. Need to fucking roll over on this 9. If we could roll over on the 9, then we'll be in good shape. Because we've been riding up with the 9 for the last, what, since 12:35. Then maybe we'll roll down. I want this right here. I want the 34. Give me that fucking shit. Keep going. It was $50. I was too busy trying to put an order in down there. Come on, get back. That 300 support. I was up $50 right there for a second, for a fleeting moment. Oh, $20. Come on. Give it to me. Flush. Fucking flush. Let's go. It's not even that much. I'm not even asking for a lot. Please. Let's go. All right, we're under the 21. Oh, yeah. Now we're in business. Boom, there's one. Take the other one. Take the other one. Hit it. Oh my God, do it. Do it. Boom. Shoot a McGavin. I held out. I held out on the trade because I was confident in, what I thought was going to happen. But it got a little nerve wracking. It was down as much as like 250 at one point. Oh man. What are we at? Taking some notes here. Overnight stream. So I can make a clip. use it in other social media outlets. All right, so now I could fucking now I don't need to make any more trades. I'm up to $870. $870 on day two. I need to trade for 5 days minimum, but obviously I could get to the $3,000 profit target and take profit trader sooner and just flip micros for the rest of the way. So I don't know what you guys are doing. I don't even know if you're watching. It says 7 people are watching, but you guys just might have me in the background as noise. Did anyone see that trade happen? Did anyone witness? Are we still going down? No, we're right. Basically, we might go down more. Shit. Look, now we're fucking trending. Look, now we're below. Now the 9 is going to be resistance, and we're going to just maybe follow that down like this. Maybe we're back. We're underneath. We're underneath. We got back down underneath the top orb. I could see us coming back down to at least the lower VWAP band. So VWAP, basically VWAP held, and this trend line right above it. But that was fun. So what am I up on the stream now? 180. 180 plus 45 plus 135. Oh, is that another 180? I did 180 twice. 360. Before fees and shit, but that's cool. I'm bouncing off the 34. You get the 200 right there. Gonna come back to the top orb. Oh, maybe not. Yo, what's up, op man? What is going on? Oh, you just missed me. You just missed me make a trade that got a little sketchy for a minute. Not like account nuking sketchy, but it almost didn't play out the way I thought it was, but it finally did. So, but I made 2 trades since I got on the stream. I got on the stream like a little over an hour ago, and as soon as I got on the stream, we hit the bottom orb, and I had an order in at the bottom orb, which was right here, and I took it for 180. It went up another 7 points, whatever. I didn't get all of it, but I got 9 points for 180, and then and then um and then I had an order in at the top orb, which I mean, shit, I could have just played the bottom orb to the top orb. That would have been money, but whatever. It was kind of just chopping around until it finally went up. So I waited for us to hit the top orb. I got in, went up a quick $60, didn't take it, but I had another order for another mini at VWAP, and I got filled. And then next thing I know, I found I came back. It was up around $30, but then it was very short lived. And next thing I know, I found myself down almost as much as $250, but I was holding strong because you know, we had this trend line right here, right above VWAP, holding strong too. And I was like, I just thought it was going to dump. I thought it was going to flush, and it did. And I got 180 out of it. So I got taken out. I didn't even have to move my stop. I got taken out at the 34s. Go figure. So 360 360 since I got on the stream. I'm probably done trading though, even though people are starting to roll in. But I'm up 870 on day 2 of my Take Profit Trader account. I wanted to yesterday. I wanted to get to 52,000. I was just underneath it, and somehow I found a way to nuke the entire fucking account. I went past the daily loss limit, but not today. I wasn't going to let that happen again. So I'm up. I'm $655 away from passing this take profit trader account. Oh wow, nice bounce. We're basically at the top orb again right here. Is it going to be resistance? We bounced off of the 34s, man. The 234s. The 234s on the minute. Was there anything right there? We got the 8 on the 5. You got the 34 on the 5 too. Damn, look at that. Wow, wowie, wow. Big news dropping. What, the fucking NFP? The non-farmer, non-farm payrolls. It's about employment numbers. So they're gonna make some bullshit up saying that fucking yeah. I'll be sleeping when those big moves happen, and I'll come in and pick up the pieces. Yo, were you on the stream? Were you on the stream yesterday or earlier today when I was in long, waiting for the Apple, waiting for the Apple fucking earnings report to drop? That was a fucking crazy trade. Yeah, that was awesome. I came within 3 ticks, dude. 3 ticks. Like if the energy wasn't there, if the good vibes wasn't there, I would have gotten taken out, and then I would have gotten taken out of the position. That would have stopped me out, and then it would have fucking pumped like it did 100 points, and I would have nuked the account. Pretty wild. Yeah, we got this right here. Maybe we're gonna dump because like, look, we're expected to show that the U.S. economy added 243,000 jobs last month, sharply lower than the 303,000 job creation seen in March. They're saying that the unemployment rate is set to remain unchanged. This is fxstreet.com. And we know that unemployment rate is a lot higher than 3.8%. It's just all the people that drop off of unemployment because they don't get it anymore. They basically use it all up. They're still unemployed. They're just not in the system anymore because they're not receiving unemployment. So this fucking number is way higher as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, man. Thank you. Thank you. It was a long time coming, but I finally did it. Now I got to keep doing it. That's the goal. Just keep doing it. Like, you know, not just be a YouTuber, not just be a YouTuber, with the prop firm stuff. I want to actually be making money, trading prop firms, not because I get a little bit of affiliate money. I want to be getting payouts from the prop firms, not just commissions because some people click on my link and use my coupon code, which you can do right now if you guys want to. Yeah, I need a few more than a few. Man. Yeah. I mean, I'm definitely maturing as a trader. Just once in a while, I could live with once in a while. It was just happening way too often. Yeah, a bunch of streamers make money. Yeah, there's Nutty Bar and Alpine. Yeah, Alpine, dude, he's a fucking machine. That guy, I think his last withdrawal was like $49,000. Nutty finally got on the board. Patrick Weiland is also in line for a payout. He's crazy, but in a good way. I know trading with Travis, I know he gets payouts too. You know, all these dudes get payouts. And I just look at them saying like, and I look at them and I watch the stream and I look at them and I say, then they put their pants on the same way that we do. You know, I put my pants on the same way that they do, and so do you. One leg at a time, right? So there's no reason why any of us can't fucking do it. It's just, I'm just paying my methodical. I don't even know who that is. So that's another person. Someone told me, someone told me, that name sounds familiar. I've never actually checked them out though. Yeah, there's plenty of people, and then there's people that are, there's people that chime in on the stream like all the time, like when we're all just chilling on the stream, and there's like 30 of us. There's people in there. People always saying, yeah, not everybody, but there's, I got paid. I just got my first payout. I got this. I got that. I, you know, methodical, methodical man trading. Yeah, this is it. Methodical man. This has to be it. He's got 3,000 subscribers. Wow. Is that like a play on like Method Man? Methodical man? Yeah, I'm looking at his channel right now. Yeah, he's just a regular dude like us. Just keeps putting out content. See, how does he get the shorts? Is he doing it with his phone? I don't. He must be doing it with his phone. Because I tried to up. I know a short is like 1 minute. The shorts get fucking views. Damn. Yeah, it looks like he's doing it with his phone. I don't know. Yeah, he's pretty. He looks like it looks like he's just watching one of his shorts. Looks like he knows what he's doing. He uses Top Step. What else does he use? Apex, Top Step, and Bullnox. Yeah, yeah, cool. Very cool. Thanks for letting me know about him. Let me get back to this. Yeah, I was reading some comments. I'll stream. Yeah, dude. What's up, Anonymous Giraffe? Oh, dude. The most fucking backwards way possible. And yeah, the streaming, between the streaming and before I started streaming, I was just posting video updates of how I was doing. So that was keeping me accountable. But now, like, Now that like I have like literally like I op man, I consider you a friend now. So when I'm talking to you guys, like even in the chat, like or in the comments, like when people were just commenting, I make sure I reply to everybody. So I like consider people that would be commenting on my videos, like um, that would be commenting on not every single one. I don't expect everyone to comment all the time, but um, anytime someone replies and they see them, commenting on more than one video, and then, like we're having some sort of dialogue, I consider them a friend, And then once I started streaming, a lot of the people that were commenting are now hanging out on the stream. So you're right, man. The streaming definitely helps hold you more accountable. You know, updating the videos, like I have to hold myself accountable to make sure I keep updating my updates. I mean, posting my updates and stuff. But when you're on the stream, you got like I'm getting up to I've had as many as 33 people on the stream, and we're all just hanging out. Like I got people that I don't want to let down, besides myself and my family. You know what I mean? And you said you got approved for 4,000 from prop firm commissions, or 4,000 from prop firm trading earnings, or just commissions. Oh yeah, 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 affiliate commissions. Yeah, yeah, it's very. I mean, yeah, you have to be. You have to be. That's pretty good. That's really good, actually. Was that in 1 month? Yeah, that's really good. I mean that's one of the reasons why I do this. I mean, I'm not gonna lie either. Obviously, I'm telling you guys to use my coupon code and click my link, but that's just like a added benefit. I really want to. I'd rather. Yeah, do I want to make money as an affiliate doing this stuff? Of course, but I would rather make more money from the actual prop firm trading. That's the goal, to be a fucking profitable prop firm trader. And that's like paying. If I could cover my nut just from prop firm trading, that'd be amazing. Because I have my other money that I get from my businesses and shit. You know, but I've always wanted to have my own YouTube channel, especially around like trading or something. You know, I, like I have other YouTube channels, but I wanted to do something where I'm like documenting my progress in some sort of project and some sort of worthy endeavor. You know, I feel like those are I think this is a worthy endeavor. Yeah, well, you know what? Patrick Weiland's open about it. He doesn't say the specific number, but he says that most streamers on YouTube in the prop firm world make a ton more money as an affiliate than they do from the actual trading. He makes a killing. I mean, he's got 200 and fucking 40,000 subscribers on his channel. He doesn't say specific numbers, but Patrick Weiland's got money, not just from streaming, not just from trading, but he's got money. I guess he's been around for a while. He's been doing stuff for a while. For all we know, he could have, you know, made a mint on crypto. But he's also like a competitive. He's a competitive fisher and shit. Like he's fucking cool. I haven't been on his streams in a while because I've been like running my own. But I used to hang out on Alpines. Alpine stays on all day. So does Nutty Bar. I just remember Nutty Bar having like 19 or 20 funded accounts, and I think he's down to like not 19 or 20. But he's been getting paid. He got paid like I know he's gotten taken withdrawals at least 2 or 3 times since I started, following him. Yeah. What's funny? Um, Take Profit Trader gave me a free eval. They gave me a free 50K test account for that exact reason. I'm in. Jesus. Shit, that's fucking crazy. That is nuts. That is nuts. So yeah, I'm not. Anonymous Giraffe. I hope he's still here, my man. I have my I'm actually an affiliate marketer. That's like my that's what I do That's like I own businesses, so I do affiliate marketing in one company, and another company I do local lead generation where I basically get paid if my client I send leads to closes jobs. So that's basically affiliate marketing as well. So me and my partner that I have my regular affiliate marketing business with, we've been partners since like I've been doing this internet marketing stuff since like 2005. But my business partner, Evan, we've been working together since like 2012 ish. Formed the company in 2013, and we do affiliate marketing. So we are always looking for niches and looking for offers and products to promote with our, we do some paid traffic and all this shit, and we do SEO. We know SEO, um, and we came across all this prop firm stuff, and we started promoting Apex, and when we do okay as an affiliate, like it's profitable for us. So but we don't, we have so many campaigns and we promote so like dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of different products and services. So um, it was just another campaign to us. But then we're like, oh, look at this fucking, um, what is this? We're also degenerate traders in general with crypto and options and shit like that. Like he's the one that got me into trading pretty heavy, because he's a degenerate. Like he trades options. Like I was using black box stock for a while, but I don't trade options anymore. I kind of put the kibosh on that because I would do the same dumb shit that you see me doing on in my videos where or on my streams where I'm fucking like getting reckless or not taking profit when I should, or and anyway, enough of that. But like we were promoting Apex and they're like, why don't we get an account and start and see if we could fucking you know pass these evals ourselves and get funded accounts. And so we started doing that, trading together in an account. It's like, and then I was like, I want to see how I could do on my own. I'm like this, I want to see if I could do it on my own by myself. So I got my own account, you know, um, and then I started trading. And I was like, you know what? This would be the perfect thing to start that YouTube channel. I've always wanted to start it around trading. I was just going to do it around like crypto stuff. I was like, I'm fucking doing this. I'm trading. I'm trading every day. I'm basically day trading all fucking day. I might as well document it and turn it into a little bit of an income stream or a big income stream, depending on how big I could grow this thing. So that's how I came across prop firms, and now I'm fucking hooked. And I just got my first payment. It took 6 months, but I didn't get it yet, but I'm pretty much it's pending. I just gotta wait for it to get approved. You know what I mean? So, Greg, we're doing good. How you doing, man? You couldn't hear me before. I'm not even using this mic. I'm using this mic to listen to myself in the stream. I don't even have the volume up. This is what I'm working with here. I don't even know what. Damn, we popped. I missed all of this because I was bullshitting. Not that I care, but we did. We got up to the look. Go figure. We got up to the upper VWAP band, and we're rejecting off the upper VWAP band. But we bounced here. Oh, this is the 15 minute. Let me go to the 5. Let me go to the 5. Yeah, so I basically played this, and off of we bounced off the 34 on the 5, and there was also the 200. This was me right here, Greg. I made two trades. Both of them I got $180 from. Not on purpose, it just worked out that way. So I'm up 870 overall on the day. This is day 2 of a Take Profit Trader test account. I'm $655 away from passing it, and I missed. Wow, that's a pretty big move. 42 to 67 is 25 points. It's pretty good. But we're right at this upper VWAP band. It's holding as resistance right now, but I don't know how much it's going to hold anymore. We got the pivot point coming real soon. It's not real soon. It's 40. It's 40 something points away. R Farrell. I haven't tried Quant Tower before. I've seen it and it looks cool. I just don't want to pay for it. Maybe when I get a few more payments under my belt. Plus, I'm on a Mac. Is Quant Tower web based, or do I have to fucking download something and run a program? When did I submit my request? So we're in Friday morning. I did it like Thursday night. Thursday night, I submitted the request. Or Friday or I don't know. No, not Thursday night. Wednesday night going into Thursday, I submitted the request because Wednesday was day 10 for me. So Thursday was the next day after. On May 2nd, I submitted the request, but it was like during the overnight. I logged in, recorded myself submitting the request. Actually, I got to upload that video. The title's going to be like, "Watch me request my first ever payment." Watch me request my first ever payout as a prop firm trader. It's going to be some shit like that. So I have a feeling they're gonna hold out until like I don't know, I have to start trading on Monday with that account, but I'm gonna literally trade like one micro per trade until they fucking approve that shit. Plus, even when they do approve it, I'm only gonna have $655 in my trailing max drawdown. So I should trade one micro anyway, because I could fucking make one bad trade and how I usually trade and fucking nuke that shit. And I don't want to do that. I want to hold on to lucky number 50 Slevin for as long as possible. Maybe get it to 3 months. You know what I mean? 900. 900. Damn, bro. I'm even open to using Ninja Trader because that look cool, but I can't use it on a Mac, and I hate PCs. I don't. If I have to use a PC to do some of the shit, I don't really want to. I actually got a Bullinox account. I'm op man. Here's a pivot point at 808. At 808, I bet we hit this and reject off of it, just like we did when the market opened. Look at this shit, bro. When the market reopened, we popped because of Apple, and then we fucking rejected. Look at this. We hit this pivot point and rejected like 70 something points. We went from 808 to 36. I mean, what is that? 64. That's 72 points. And we've actually gotten lower since then, right? 808 was the high. We've got as low as 20, 21. That's almost 100 points, 88 points from that pivot point rejection. So, yeah, we might get to 900. But I think we're going to reject off of 808 first. And this is also, there's another pivot point on the daily that's not too far from that. That's the hourly. Plus, like the jobs report, I don't know if that's good news. So you got this right here, 17,766 is like right here. I bet we reject off of that. I don't know if it's going to be a huge rejection, but it could be somewhat of a rejection. That you could play a short on because we're working. We're grinding back up to it. So I figured by the time we finally hit it, definitely worth taking a shot short. Not a big shot, but worth taking a shot short for sure, as far as I'm concerned. But look, we rejected off of the upper VWAP band. Nice little 68. Now we're at VWAP and the 8 MA. I mean, that was a 16-point drop right there. That's a nice move. That's like I get in one lot there. I get in one contract there, one mini, and play that all the way, and then in a funded account, and I don't have to trade for the rest of the day. these moving averages. I just want to see my favorite stuff. I want to see VWAP. I want to see the orb, and I want to see pivot points and nothing else. Look how clean that chart is. And yeah, we got the fucking fractals in here, the trend lines, but that's a clean looking chart. The moving averages just, I mean, I know they're important, but I'll just look at the moving averages on the minute for now. I flip from having them on and off. I actually got to reconfigure them on the Q chart, my Q's chart. Somehow I deleted them. I got to get them all, the right color, the same color and shit. Yeah, I just logged into my Apex account on my other laptop. Still says pending. I know that's what they're doing. They're hoping. They're fucking. How many people fuck themselves with that? They start trading, and then they fall under the fucking the threshold, and then Apex doesn't have to pay them anymore. It's fucking brilliant. I know they wouldn't do that to Apex. I mean, not Apex. I know they wouldn't do that with Alpine. They wouldn't do that with Alpine. I bet he gets approved fucking instantly. Him and Nutty Bar, well, definitely Alpine. I bet that dude. He's got so many people signing up through his link using his code. Ah, what to do? What to do? You mean the Apex, the prop firm, or Alpine? I said Alpine. I said Apex by accident when I was talking about Alpine. Oh, okay. No, okay, you're talking about Apex. Yeah, yeah. I don't. Yeah, I'm. I'm sure there are. I want to get an account with Trade Day. Um, and you might have told me about Trade Day. I don't know. Somebody did. I want to see. I definitely and I do want to look back into Top Step. No one does 20 accounts. That's right. Apex is super aggressive. They have the crazy. They're always running the crazy promotions. They're always running the 1 day to pass bullshit. Yeah, yeah. The whole thing is like, oh, you can make 80 grand in a month. Just get 20 funded accounts and get them all fucking to withdrawal. Do it twice in a month, and that's your 80 grand. We pretty much bounced off a VWAP here. Look at that. After rejecting on the upper VWAP band, we're bouncing off of VWAP back to the upper VWAP band. I mean, these moves are. I mean, these moves are pretty good. Oh, look, we bounced off to 34. I wish I played that. Yeah, Apex is good. I want to have like I want to have accounts with multiple. Like I want to be getting paid from multiple prop firms though, not just one. But at the same time, you only need one. But I want to like I want to have like tentacles out there, and everybody's fucking sending me money. That's what I want to do. I don't necessarily need 20 accounts with Apex. Wouldn't mind getting paid, you know, for between 5 and 10. I have four right now. I'm not even going to get in. I might get another eval. I have four funded accounts with Apex, and then I'm working this Take Profit Trader account. Hey, if you just pop it on in the stream, thank you for stopping by. We're just hanging out. I just finished. Well, I'm not finished trading necessarily, but I just got out of a trade a little while ago. Kind of just been like bullshit and missed all of this. Damn. Kind of. Are we double topping over here? Maybe. But yeah, leave a comment and say what's up in the chat if you haven't yet. Give it a thumbs up. Smash the like button. Smash it. Someone subscribe to the channel. Thank you. If you're still on the stream and you just subscribed, thank you very much for subscribing. You won't be disappointed. We're approaching 2 o'clock my time. Thankfully, I don't have to wake up at fucking, 7:30 or 7:40 to take my son to work. He doesn't have to be until 10. I probably won't sleep much later than that anyway because kids start moving around. What are we doing here? What are we doing? That was a nice move, though. From the bottom orb. So 20 to about, damn, like 48 points. It's pretty awesome. Like, all you have to do is just hold this whole time. That's something I'm working on improving. Is just holding the position and just trusting in the move. Like, look at this. I don't necessarily, I don't know if I would necessarily hold it this long, but I would probably, the best way to do it is to be in, you know, 2 or 3 fucking minis, or, which is crazy, because that could go bad. That could go south real quick, but maybe get into like 9, you go into like 9 or 15 micros, and you take off, you take off, you lock in gains and take off some profits along the way, at each level. I might mess around with that in one of my accounts. I don't know if I'm going to do it in my Apex account, but like maybe in an eval somewhere. Sorry for yawning. I'm not covering my mouth. Hey, R. Farrell, I don't know if you're still watching, but I did answer your question about Quantaro before. I just don't know if I could use it on a Mac. Otherwise, I'd be open to checking it out. But I'm not ready for copy trading. Anyone who uses Quantaro, they copy trade with it, and I'm not sure. I'm not necessarily ready for copy trading until I really have my trading. My strategies are solid. My strategies are pretty dialed in. It's just the maturity level. I'm working on. My maturity level is increasing, improving every day. But as a trader, but I still have I still fall into some. I have in the past fallen into very recent past fallen into bad habits. They creep back in, and then I fucking nuke accounts. So if I'm copy trading with something like Quant Tower, you know, and I go into that I go into self-destruct mode. Not only will it be nuking one account, I'll be nuking whatever else is copied with it. So if I have three accounts grouped together to copy trade, I'm fucking myself in three accounts with the same trade. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that. I could use Tradeovate to put them in groups. I could create groups right now if I wanted to, but I would say I would do that something like that with like 8 to 10. If I had like 8 to 10, I would start putting them together, like two or three at a time, and not all of them. I would still keep a couple on their own. I would definitely mix it up. Mix it up. Top orb rejection, not orb. Top upper VWAP band rejection right here. How much of a rejection are we going to get? That is the $1 million question. It's not even. It didn't even touch it though. Oh, all right. Ooh, a nice little move down. What is that? 7 points. Bouncing off the 34. I don't know if the 34 is going to hold. But anyway, I'm going to pack it in. It's almost 2 o'clock. I don't need to trade anymore. I'm fucking looking really good. I mean, yeah, sure, I could push it up further, but like, why? I still have to trade for 3 days. I could go up. All I need to do is get 655 bucks. I don't need to do all of that today. I can't anyway. I don't want to go. I'll break the consistency rule. Oh man, don't tempt me with a good time. But yeah, will I trade this account? During regular trading hours, very possible. But I don't need to do anything. I'm fucking looking amazing. You know what? I should just cut this account off for the rest of the day and say 870 is good enough. 2,345 bucks. Exactly. $655 it's left. Yeah, we're bouncing off the 34 here. It's crazy how like you see like this didn't hit any level, right? It's kind of like in the middle of nowhere, but then you go and look on the 1 minute, you're like, oh look, it fucking bounced off the 34. Oh man, I think you're getting your short, buddy. But yeah, that bounce off the 34 EMA was 57 to 7 points, 7.5 points. Pretty good fucking move with one mini. 34 is money. It's a trap. It's a trap. It just moves so slow during the overnight. Yeah, trap trades. Yeah, the trap trades move fast. So fucking true. So true, man. Oh, I mean, it does look like we got a double topping over here on the bigger scale. Kind of double topped right here too, but on a bigger level, I mean, look at this. I bet we come down. If that confirms, we're going to come down to like the 300 right here, which is 17,747, and that is the top orb. But like at this point, VWAP is support. We come down to VWAP. I would take a long shot. I would take a shot long, but I won't be up for it to happen because I'm fucking ready to pass the fuck out. So on that note, guys, whoever's still here, thank you for hanging out. It really was fun as usual. The market moved kind of slow, but I made a couple of good trades, and I'm gonna leave up $870 on a day and 2,345 overall through 2 days with this new test account. So anyway, I will talk to you guys soon. I'll be streaming later today, um, probably around like 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2:30 ish, 3, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Is it dumping, bro? Oh, there you go. There you go. Anyway, I gotta run. I'm fucking tired. I don't want to get FOMO. I'm not letting myself get FOMO. I'll talk to you guys soon. All right. Thanks again. I'll talk to you. Peace.